Hi, good morning. This is Dr. Scarlett, Red Lotus Wellness Center, and I want to do something called Straight Talk. I had a conversation a couple of days ago, maybe it was yesterday, with a longtime friend of mine. We grew up together in Jamaica, and we've been out of touch. So I reached out to say, what's going on with the family, etc., etc. And she mentioned that she's dealing with migraines, chronic migraines. I can't figure out the source of it. She had a nerve block done for occipital neuralgia. She's on a lot of medication. She's got diabetes, chronic pain with fibromyalgia, and a host of other issues, hypothyroidism, Hashimoto's, etc. Just being on a lot of medication. And she had no idea that Chinese medicine and acupuncture could be extremely beneficial in helping to support her in her journey to better health. And what I wanted to talk a little bit about today is that my journey. I suffered with my chronic migraines. I had the allergy asthma, the fibromyalgia pain, insomnia, just a host of issues. I had a diagnosis of, have a diagnosis of three autoimmune disorders. And I have a family history of chronic thyroid issues, both on my mom and my dad's side. I've been able, through Chinese medicine and my knowledge and my clinical experience, to be able to not only help myself in this journey to keep my vital organs like my gallbladder intact and my appendix by treating myself with herbs and acupuncture and, of course, lifestyle modification. But I've also not needed to be on thyroid medication, despite the fact that I have a goiter that has multiple nodules and all of that. I'm saying all that to say that for the women in our community, in the Black community especially, of significance now during our Black History Month recognition, that we tend to put ourselves last. We may not always know that we have other resources available, for example, like Chinese medicine. I don't look like your typical Chinese medicine doctor. I'm a Black woman. I've got locks. I have an accent. I come from Jamaica. I'm an island girl. However, we don't realize that there are other modalities that we can use in conjunction with prescribed medications to help improve our healing processes, to reduce our dependence on medication. Sometimes we can even wean ourselves off and restore better health. So my reason for sitting here today, coming to you, is to say that ask questions, be curious. What else can you do? Is there a more holistic approach to managing your health? Can you reverse some of the things that are going on? I don't know. It's maybe. Are you able to have a better quality of life by incorporating other holistic modalities into your wellness journey? So I'm here to say, reach out to me. I'm happy to educate, to share my experience, my journey, what has worked for patients that I see who have been dealing with thyroid issues, or they can't manage their weight, or they have neuropathy or migraines or infertility. The list is long. However, I have over 13 years of clinical experience working with thousands of patients, helping them to get to their wellness goals, helping them to improve their quality of life. Whatever that means for you, we can have a conversation about that. So reach out to Dr. Scarlett, Red Lotus Wellness Center. I'm in Carlsbad, California. However, I'm open to having a conversation regardless of where you may be in the US or elsewhere. Just to share information, to educate, and to help you with the tools that you need for better health, longevity, and improved quality of life. Thank you.